Hello and welcome to Reedy's Tooties. Today we will be learning about phonics. Yes, sounds of letters. Children, you can learn reading and writing by learning phonics. It teaches us the relationship between the letters of the written language and the sounds of the spoken language. So let's learn the sounds of letters and the words that count along with them. The name of the letter is A, and the sound that it makes is a, like an alligator. A, avocado. A, astronaut. A, ant. A, arrow. A, attic. A, angry. A, ambulance. The name of the letter is B, and the sound that it makes is b, like an bee. B, balloon. B, burger. B, bubble. B, beach. B, boat. B, bear. B, berries. The name of the letter is C, and the sound that it makes is k, like an cake. Cloud. Computer.
Camera. Cookies. Clock.
Car.
Cactus. Caterpillar.
The name of the letter is D, and the sound that it makes is D, like in dragon. D,
Dinosaur.
D, doctor. D,
Drum.
D, diamond. D, door. D, dance. D, duck. D, desert. The name of the letter is E, and the sound that it makes is like in
Elephant. Engagement.
egg.
Elbow.
Elf.
Exercise.
Engine.
Elevator.
The name of the letter is F, and the sound that it makes is like in frog. Fig. Fish.
Friends.
Futon.
Flower.
Frisbee. The name of the letter is G, and the sound that it makes is G, like in goat. G, goose. G, golf. G,
Glue.
G, gloves. G, gate. G.
Gorilla.
The name of the letter is H, and the sound that it makes is like in horse.
Hammer.
Hand. Hippo. House.
Hive. Helicopter.
The name of the letter is I, and the sound that it makes is E, like in igloo. E, insect. E,
Iguana.
E,
Invitation.
E, ink. E, infant. The name of the letter is J, and the sound that it makes is J, like in juice. J,
Jam.
J,
Jellyfish.
J,
Jacket.
J, jump. J,
Juggle.
J, joker. The name of the letter is K, and the sound that it makes is k, like in koala. Kettle. Kite.
Kiwi.
Kingfisher. Kitten.
Kangaroo.
The name of the letter is L, and the sound that it makes is O, like in lion. O,
Lemon.
lamb. Lamp.
Leopard.
lotus. The name of the letter is M, and the sound it makes is like in moon, monkey, mango, mattress, mustache, moose, mountain, magician. The name of the letter is N, and the sound it makes is like in noodles, nose, nest, needle, newspaper, necklace, nail polish. The name of the letter is O, and the sound it makes is like in octopus, orange, origami, octagon, ostrich, otter, office. The name of the letter is P, and the sound it makes is p, like in penguin, princess, pumpkin, peach, peacock, parrot, pigeon. The name of the letter is Q, and the sound it makes is qu, like in queen, question, quiet, quilt, quill,
quail,
The name of the letter is R, and the sound it makes is like in rabbit, rose, rocket, rainbow, robot, river, ring. The name of the letter is S, and the sound it makes is like in star, sun, scissors, spider, snake, sandwich, surfing, sand. The name of the letter is T, and the sound it makes is t, 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 like in train, t, tomato, t, tadpole, t, treasure, t, tornado, t, telescope, t, tiger. The name of the letter is
U,
and the sound it makes is like in umbrella, unhappy,
upwards,
umpire, urchin, upset, urn. The name of the letter is V, and the sound it makes is like in van, violin, vacuum, vulture,
volcano,
vase, vaccine. The name of the letter is
W,
and the sound it makes is like in wizard, window, wagon, walnut, wall, walrus, watch. The name of the letter is
X,
and the sound it makes is x, 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 like in fox, x, box, x, mix, x, six, x, ox, x, rex. The name of the letter is
Y,
and the sound it makes is like in yogurt, yak, yam, yawn, yo-yo, Yacht. The name of the letter is
Z.
and the sound it makes is z, z, z. Like in zigzag, z, zombie, z, zucchini, z, zipper, z, zoo, z, zebra. Have fun learning. See you. Bye.